it's not just about having followers, to be honest. It's not just
Mm-hmm.
about that having a follower, it's all about that how you are positioning your offer in front of your audience. No matter whether you are selling a digital product, no matter whether you're selling a, you can say, physical product, or no matter whether you are selling a high ticket service, it's all about the, you can say, more perceived value what I will be getting at the end of the day. The moment I
Mm-hmm.
showed
Mm-hmm.
you my ads manager, one of our client, you got the idea what I'm talking about. Last month we were having $85,000. Today it's around $70,000 till yet. Still we have, you can say, 7 days left. So we are
Mm-hmm.
projection around 90 to $95,000 this month for this client. Let's say you onboarded 20 to 30 people for a done with the session. For your group session, I'm talking about, not one on one. Okay,
Yeah.
not
Yeah.
one-on-one, group session, because that will be scalable for you. From that particular scenario, 110% I can say you around 40 to 50% of the clients you will be getting from there as an agency. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
for your done for you session, for
That's
a
what
done
I
you.
was thinking recently, Gaurav, and what I see works well. That it's
Hmm,
easy to get people into the coaching on some retainer, or let's say you pay, I don't know, $2,000 upfront for 8 sessions, for example. People
hmm,
get into the coaching, and then you can say, of course, you can edit videos yourself, or you can do done for you services. Of course, you can
true.
run your ads yourself, or you can do done for you services. And then that's how you basically upsell them for all additional stuff. So that's what I
Understandable.
saw a lot of people do, because I could also sell them, let's say, appointment setting, or even
Hmm,
closing sales calls. So then it becomes like really an agency
true,
full
true,
cycle.
true. That's true. That's true over here. Okay, so this is what I'm telling you right now. Alert based ad copy, five logical reasons to consider you, those kind of things. Why I told you to do that thing in the beginning? Why I told you? Even though we can just start running the ads with two ad copies, why I told you to build that assets is so we will, at the time of retargeting, you shouldn't be waiting for building a new ad copies at that time. Why? Because the person who have, especially in the high ticket space, what I have noticed, people take time to consider you. People take time because if you are in the high ticket space where your average ticket price is around 1.5K to 2K a month, for an example, it's not a easy thing.
Yeah.
So what is going to happen in that particular scenario? You need to give them a reason, multiple reason you need to give them that why they should consider you at the end of the day. 110%. They engage with your content, but for some reason they were not able to connect with you, got phone or got busy somewhere, or I will gonna, you can say, discuss this thing later with my wife or a decision maker, but they still engage with your content. So in that particular scenario, we have to, you can say, make a custom audience out of that for them. Okay, then we are going
Mm-hmm.
to pitch them with multiple angles. Add one with that copy, add copy 2, add copy 3, add copy 4, add copy 5, add copy 6, add copy 7. Audience which we are going to do over here is we are going to target those people who have actually interacted with our stuff and who were very interested. I'm not talking about the 25% video views, 50% video views, 3-second video views. I'm talking about 75% video views.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yep.
95% video views, 100% video views. So
Got it.
those people were interested over there, correct?
Mm-hmm. Correct.
And one more thing I told you, on your VSL page, if you have installed Wistia, because there is an option in the Wistia to create the custom audience for the people who have interacted with
Oh
your
yeah.
stuff.
Yeah, I know Investec.
Remember,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I told you why I
Yeah.
told you, that's the
Mm-hmm.
one of the reason. So the mindset
Mm-hmm.
over that this is interesting, but I still have questions. This
Mm-hmm.
is something going on in their mind. So we are going to target them with this kind of creative styles.
Okay.
So on today's call, I showed you that how we did around $70,000 for that particular client. Last month they did $85,000, and I also showed you that what kind of things will be doable in order to scale your agency with the help of paid ads route, Insta DMs, LinkedIn Sales Navigator, these things which I told you, and the retargeting phase.
Yeah.
Did you like the stuff which I shared with you? What's your thought on that?
Yeah, really like the stuff. Of course, it's all about practicing, putting it in action. I like the
Exactly.
retargeting as well. That it's yeah, you went really detailed on different type of strategies. So
On the next
so
call, it will be more deeper.
looking forward.